Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and this gorgeous dress that I'm wearing is by LILBETTER. This is a gorgeous black maxi dress with a beautiful rose print. This dress is nice and lightweight, so it'll be perfect to wear all through spring and summer. I love that it has sleeves, but they're not tight. It does have a wrap style elastic waist. However, this is not a wrap dress, so you don't have to worry about a gust of wind coming and blowing your dress open. It does have a deep V-neck, and I do prefer to wear a cami under it, but I did find that when I was wearing it without a cami, it was not as revealing as other V-neck dresses. I still felt like I had a little bit of modesty with it, and as is almost mandatory these days, it does have pockets. So you can hold your glasses or your phone or your awkward hands in the pockets. I am 5'5". I normally wear a medium, sometimes a medium large, but I did go ahead and go with the small based on the sizing, and I found that it fits really nicely. The length is perfect. I can walk around barefoot without it dragging, and it still looks nice with heels. So I definitely recommend to take a look at the size chart before ordering. This has already become a staple in my wardrobe, and I can see it getting a lot of use this summer. And that's my point of view.